Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can unregister on GCash if your phone is damaged. So if you're interested, let's jump right in. If your phone is damaged or completely broken and you're worried about how to access your GCash account, don't panic. You can still log in using a different phone even if your old one is no longer working. First, install the GCash app on your new phone and open it. Enter your mobile number, the same one linked to your GCash account, and tap Next. Once you do that, GCash will detect that you're trying to log in from a new device. You'll see a message saying something like, "It looks like you changed your phone." That's totally normal. Just tap on the option that says, "I want to register this phone." At this point, GCash will ask you to verify your identity. Depending on your previous settings, you'll either be asked to take a selfie scan or enter a one-time password OTP that's sent to your registered number. Now here's the important part. After the verification, GCash doesn't give instant access. Instead, there's a 4-hour security window. This is to make sure it's really you trying to access the account and not someone else. During this time, GCash runs background checks and confirms your device registration. Once the 4 hours have passed and the exact time will be shown on your screen, you can open the GCash app again and log in. You should now have full access to your account on your new phone. So even if your old phone is lost, broken, or completely dead, you won't lose access to your GCash account. And that's it, you are done.